Hello everyone. And welcome to this video on task creation and execution. Celery allows you to define tasks as Python functions and execute them asynchronously. You can also chain multiple tasks together and pass arguments and return values between them. Here's an example of how to define and execute tasks using Celery. First, you'll need to install Celery. You can do this using pip. Once you have Celery installed, you can define a task by creating a Python function and decorating it with the @celery.taskDecorator. Here's an example task that simply adds two numbers together. In this example, we've defined a task called add that takes two arguments, x and y, and returns their sum. We've also created a Celery instance called app that will be used to execute our tasks. To execute this task, we can use the apply_async method of the task class. Here's an example of how to execute the add task with the arguments 2 and 3. This will output 5, which is the result of adding 2 and 3. We can also chain multiple tasks together by using the operator. Here's an example of how to chain two tasks together. In this example, we first executed the add task with arguments 2 and 3, and then chained the result to the add task with arguments 4. The output of this code will be 9, which is the result of adding 2 plus 3 plus 4. We can also pass the result of one task as an argument to another task by using the get method. Here's an example of how to pass the result of the add task as an argument to another task. In this example, we first executed the add task with arguments 2 and 3, and then passed the result of that task as the second argument to another add task with arguments 4 and the result of the first task. The output of this code will be 9, which is the result of adding 2 plus 3 plus 4. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.